Good relationships are the key to bringing your dreams to life. You need to respond to every single email and every single phone call. Listen carefully to who your friends know. Never underestimate the power of social media in making your connections. Reach out to people that you don't know. This is so key. Listen to me. Every friendship begins with a first encounter. Have a goal of making 3 new friends each month. At the end of 12 months, you're going to have 36 new friends. They say that there are only 6 degrees of separation between everybody else. Guys, I'm just going to tell you, this may be something that's like, nobody's ever really taught me this. Well, I am. That's what I'm doing right now. You are being mentored. You need to have a goal. This is part of one of your goals. You need to be looking and where you're going and when you're going to accept invitations or even be more proactive in, you're going to be getting new friends. COVID makes it really difficult too. But we've got to be more intentional. Host parties, meetups, luncheons with other female or male entrepreneurs in your area. Now, this is something that what I would love for you to do, and this is something that I plan on doing here in Memphis, is I'm going to find a female entrepreneur. No offense to the guys. Guys, you do this with guys. I think it's best that women do with women and men with men. Now, if you have somebody else and you want to be able to have it where it's entrepreneurs, that's great. But usually there's problems that each of you are going to be struggling with. And so to have one woman who's a real estate agent, to have one woman who is that has a bakery, another woman that has a card making business, another woman that has, so it's like that I have all these cross sections. I have another gal that's a doctor. I've talked to them to where there's going to be like 12 of us. I don't think you need more than 12. But that way you have a commonality of them, that whatever group you put together in your area, and you can build this group to where you get together for lunch, or they can come to your house, or basically a meetup or coffee, but that you start looking at what you can do together to make a difference in your city. But more than anything, it's for you to be able to connect with these people and be able to build friendships and to be able to build ways of connecting so they know what it is that you are doing. Because you've got to do this in order to be able to build your ask.